So go ahead and go to that first link in the video description and you'll land on this page right here. First, click on Get Nexos.ai. And that's going to bring you down to the plan options. I'll be going with the 12-month option, and that's because it'll give you a much better deal long term. Click Get Nexos.ai on the plan that you want. And on this page here, you'll need to fill out your billing information and payment method. And you'll also notice here that by using the first link in the video description, you'll get 76% off here. Now just fill out your information and I'll meet you at the next step. Once your account is set up, it'll ask you to personalize your workspace. Type in your role here at the top. I'm going with content creator, but put in whatever matches what you do the best. Then pick your department. You'll see options like RevOps and GTM, sales, marketing, HR and recruitment, and a whole bunch of others here. Here, just pick whichever one matches your work the best. And then for company size here at the bottom, I'll go with 1 to 10. This goes all the way up to 10,000 plus, so just pick whatever matches your situation. This will just help the platform tailor things to you, and you can always change it later. When you're done, click Next. And here you'll get 3 ways to get started. 1 for chatting with AI models directly, 1 for picking a pre-built agent from their library, and 1 for building your own agent from scratch. We're going with the third option. Click Create Your Agent. And this is where things get really good. You'll land in the Agent Builder. On the left side is your navigation, where your agents and projects live. In the middle is where you interact with the AI. And at the top, you'll see some example tasks to give you ideas for what your agent could do. But the main thing is this text field at the bottom. This is where you describe what you want your agent to do in your own words, like you're explaining it to a person.